So we cut up our chicken, we cut up our steak, trimmed all the fat, got all the skin off the chicken. Now we're gonna add our marinade. Okay, so we have a 1/4 cup of low sodium beef broth. We have 3 tablespoons of garlic. We have 4 tablespoons of Chipotle Chili Pepper. We have 2 tablespoons of cumin, and then we have olive oil. We're going to mix it all up together and put it in the refrigerator for a little while. So while the meat is cooking, I chopped up some onions. We're going to put those in our meat in a second. And then I chopped up a little parsley to pour on top just for a little bit of color. So for our Chipotle sauce, we're using Yum Yum sauce, which you can find at Target. There's also a Yum Yum Light that only has 20 milligrams of sodium. This one has 60. We're using horseradish, which also has 30. And then we're using Chipotle Chili Pepper. We're going to mix it all up. Bon appetit!